I'm older. I want to have like a couple of cars. I know I'm going to have a PT Cruiser with bulletproof glass, a Hellcat engine in it, put it into backyard drive because the engine's too big. I think it would be too big in it. I would put like a airbag lift in it, put a loud exhaust pipe on it, and then my second car is just going to be a scat pack with bulletproof glass, like, you know. Yeah, I don't know how hard it's going to be, but I can do it. And I'm also older. I'm older. I gotta try building my own dirt bike.